In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
There's a few different things you're going to want to go ahead and do. But firstly, we're going to go into Google Chrome. You can also go on Google for this. But what we want to do is on the top right, press those three little dots, and then you're going to see settings towards the bottom. So go ahead and click on that. You're going to see a lot of different options here, but I want to go towards the bottom. The fourth last option is site settings. Click on that right there, and you're going to see here a lot more things right here. What you want to do is go to content, and you're going to see pop-ups and redirects. Make sure they're blocked. So you want to make sure this is kind of disabled, and then pop-ups and redirects won't be on or anything like that. Then you also want to go over to intrusive ads, which is literally just two down. Once you go to that, make sure that's disabled as well. It's going to say ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads as well. Now, once you're done with that, and once you're done with your browser, all you got to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. You're going to see the settings wheel icon. So go ahead and click on that. Then scroll all the way down to apps and find any app that can be really annoying right now. So for example, if I scroll through all my apps, just look for whichever one I'm, going for, and I found something like Spotify. All I have to do is go ahead and click on that, then go to notifications, and then I can either allow notifications but change the way they appear on my screen, or I could just disable notifications entirely if one of the apps I'm using just keeps notifying me with different things that I don't care about.